Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Now I'm going to unbox this metal detector, the Floureon. Now this is not the best in the market in the world, but it's really good for its price. Just $65.99, but you know, it's a decent size. Yeah, that's the other side of the box, and that's the other side of the box there. So this is a metal detector unboxing. Let's do it. Right. Now, the box looks great, so let's get into it. Of course, I'm using one hand at the moment, so it's a little bit harder to get at the box, but we'll get to it. Alright, I'm looking at this the first time you are, so let's get in it. And look at that, that's the inside of the box. Not as clean as I imagine, but you know, here's some information about the Floureon and some batteries. Well, that's new, isn't it? Normally packages don't come with batteries, but this obviously is made in the UK. And yeah, so here is the package, man. See that? It supplies with some headphones for your metal detector, and of course the battery pack. That's obviously connected there. A little one of those little bags. Gonna burst that out. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Right. Now this is the main body head unit where all the detecting comes from, and where you get to see the sensors and stuff like that. So here we are. So of course from left to right you got the set mode, and then you got the enter and power, and you think, oh yeah, the PP, not sure what that is. And up here then you got your selections. You got your iron, your ring pulls, your bronze, your silver and gold, and obviously these are your depths as well. This goes down into 8 inches into the ground, and here's your sensor as well. So, and that's your phone connection. So yeah, that's right. There's the back of it there, and that's where it connects to the rest of the body. And here's obviously probably the speaker, so where the noise comes from if you're not using the headphones. And there's the up and down arrow to obviously scroll through the modes. So that's really good there. Now I put that aside, and I have this little pouch. This little pouch here. I wonder what that is, but tell you what, I'll come back to that in a second. What I want to see is this little thing here. So this is obviously the handle where you rest your arm on, and you are going to be detecting things like that. That's one of those. I'll put that here with the rest of the stuff. And get this packaging out the way. Of course, this is the rest of it. I'm going to rip that there. We're not sending this back. There we go. The rest of the body of the metal detector. Of course, these are the settings here. You can see this little button here allows you to drop it in certain ways to different holes. So that's it here. Put that to one side. Of course, under here then we're going to have the main thing, the big boy. What's going to be your detecting? Oh, this is a bit difficult, isn't it? I'm going to just rip this. I'll be back in a second. I'm just going to get that out there. Of course, the fight wasn't pretty, but I won in the end, and I got the main body out. So that looks like it for the box there. I'm just going to toss that to one side there. Alright, so we have headphones there. Our main body selection there. One of our extension cables, and our armrest molds there. And also we have our copper wheel. As you can see, I'm into this. I'm only just got into this. So this is where all the sensors come from, and where you mark on the ground, and you just scan over it like that, and then you will find some treasure. Of course, let's get back to this. Let's see what this is. I'm actually intrigued. I'm going to put everything onto one side there, so we can have a nice little look at this. Okay. Right. Open this up with one hand. And alright, we're going to have some more extensions by the looks of it. Yeah, that's one. And then this looks like possibly another, oh, look at that. That's a little, oh, I know what this is. It's a trowel and a handle. Wow, that's really nice. That's neat, that is. Saves me buying another one online, isn't it? Well, so that's the unboxing there. I'm going to put everything back in its place to where it was and probably get everything in. So that's everything I have, and yeah, I will obviously do a proper run through and walk through of it once I've got the hang of it, and then I'll give you guys a nice review, and then I'll see what it's like to use. Of course, we're in the mix of a lockdown here, so I can't go out into the forest and find some real treasure. What I can do is go out my own back garden, and then I see what I have out there, isn't it? So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.